Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I am going to teach you and show you how you can control your motor using Arduino. First, I will discuss in front of you the Proteus circuit, and second, I will discuss in front of you the code for this circuit, and third, I will show you the hardware of this project. Before we move forward, please subscribe my channel for getting the latest project video and for getting the latest updates. Now let's begin. In this circuit here you can see, you can follow my cursor. It is Arduino UNO, and here I connect the voltage source of 5 volt. Here you can see I connect the voltage source of 5 volt with the Arduino. The Arduino is operate at the 5 volt, and here I connect the ground with the Arduino, and here you can see I connect the resistor before the transistor for controlling the current of the transistor, and here you can see, and here I connect the motor with the DC source of a 6 volt. Here you can see I connect the feedback with the motor for smooth running, and here you can see I connect the transistor for controlling the action of motor as we want, and here I connect the LED for confirming the output of Arduino, the Arduino is running or not. And next I move towards the code for this circuit, and here you can see it is Arduino IDE software, and here you can see I start the code void setup, and here you can see in this command you can follow my cursor. By using this command I declare the pin 5 of Arduino as a output pin, and next here you can see the while loop, and here you can see the for loop for running condition of the motor, and here I declare this command for the production of PWM at the output of the pin 5, and next here I generate a very small delay, and next you can see when this loop value is completed, then the motor run at its maximum speed for 5 seconds. And next here you can see, here I use the reverse for loop. I use this for loop because now I want to reduce the speed of the motor up to the 0, and here you can see, and I use this command again for the PWM, and here I also generate delay, and next you can see when speed reaches to 0, and then the motor stops for 5 seconds, and here our code is finished. Now it's time to execute this code. Here you can see, you can follow my cursor. Here you can see done compiling, and now the next step is to upload the hex file of this code into the Arduino, and now you can follow my cursor. I am just uploading the hex file. Here you should copy the address of the hex file. Here you can see, Control C, just open, and just press OK, and now it's time to run the circuit. Here motor take a while for running. The reason behind, because the software is running very slow, so that's why motor take a while for running, and here you can see motor is running and speed is increasing. You can follow my cursor. Here is a meter of speed. Here you can see now speed is approximately 225, and here you can see its maximum speed is approximately 233 revolution per minute, and here you can see this LED. This LED is on, and it's mean the transistor is also on, and now the transistor is off, and the motor speed is reducing, and here you can see the motor speed is reducing as I set in the code. And now I will show you the hardware of this project, and here you can see it is the hardware of this project. Here you can see Arduino UNO, and motor, and battery of 5 volt, and some connection of this circuit. And next step is, now I will run this project, and here you can see our Arduino is on. 5 volt is applied to the Arduino UNO, and here you can see our motor is running and getting its maximum speed from 0 to its maximum speed.
When reach its maximum speed, then it will stay here for 5 seconds, and then his speed will reduce. And here you can see motor is right now stopped and it will run again. And here you can see our motor is running back and gain its maximum speed. We can control its speed in different way using Arduino.